Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create cinematic AI videos with Runway ML Gen 2. Before we dive in, if you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and improve your skills in using them, this channel is perfect for you. We regularly share updates and provide easy to follow tutorials on harnessing AI tools in today's landscape. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels our production of educational content like this. Now, let us begin. To start achieving a cinematic look begins with using a cinematic image as your foundation. When it comes to generating cinematic images, my preferred choice is Leonardo AI, as it consistently produces impressive results. This recommendation is especially valuable for those who want to avoid the cost associated with platforms like Midjourney when using a free account. If you are just creating these images for fun, Leonardo AI is an excellent option. I won't delve into the intricate details of generating cinematic images with Leonardo AI here. For more comprehensive instructions, you can refer to our video titled How to Create Cinematic AI Images Without Using Midjourney. In that video, you will find a step-by-step guide for crafting cinematic images. Now that I have already created my images, all that is left is to save these photos to my computer. Unlike Pika Labs, there is no need to log in on our Discord since we can directly visit their website and sign in to our account. However, if you haven't registered yet, I also recommend watching my tutorial video, How to Create a Gen 2 Runway free account for step-by-step instructions. Given our focus on Gen 2, particularly on crafting videos from cinematic images, let us click on it and begin by uploading the images we saved earlier, starting with your chosen first image. To start, click on the Upload an Image section and choose the image you'd like to transform into a video. Keep in mind that the uploaded time may vary depending on the image size. Once your image is successfully uploaded, click the Generate button and patiently await the transformation to be completed. And there you have it. Your cinematic video is ready. To download your videos, simply right-click and select Save or use the provided download button. But if you are not entirely satisfied with the initial video, let us explore how you can exert more control over your animated creations. Click on the prompt box and use the prompt to specify the actions you want to include in the video. For example, with dramatic images, you can include prompts like slow motion, hair flowing, and subtle cloud movement in the background. You also have the option to set frames per second, control camera movements such as panning, zooming, or rotating, and employ negative prompts to remove undesired elements for improved output quality. After entering your prompt, click Generate again and watch your image respond to your input. Now, compare this prompt video to the ones generated earlier. With the prompt, it displays more dynamic motion compared to the first one. For the remaining images, simply repeat the process to create more cinematic videos, and you can even piece them together to make a short film. I may make one in the future, so stay tuned. That's a wrap. You have unlocked cinematic quality using Runway ML Gen 2. Feel free to experiment with different camera movements and prompts to refine your results and enhance video quality. I am eager to know what you think. Are you as impressed by how smoothly your cinematic images turn into high-quality videos with minimal effort? I suggest you give this platform a shot and unlock its creative potential. After trying it, please share your thoughts in the comments. I am excited to hear about your experiences, which could be helpful for others interested in giving it a try as well. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.